Hi guys, welcome back to Spot Area channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to create Apple ID on iPhone 2022. You can create a new Apple ID when you set up your device or set it up later in App Store. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment, and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So, without any further ado, let's get started. First step, open your settings app on your iPhone and then tap sign into your iPhone. After that, you have to tap don't have an Apple ID or forget it. Then select create Apple ID and wait for a minute, and then enter your first and last name and your birthday date too. And tap next at the top right in the corner. Then type your email, but if you don't have an email address, you have to tap do not have an email address. And then tap get an iCloud email address, then tap your email. Tap next. Tap create email address. And then in this page, you have to type your password for your new email. And there is a note under the verify column. Your password must be at least 8 characters long, include a number, an uppercase letter, and a lowercase letter. I'm gonna type my new password and verify your password and tap next. Then enter your phone number, and for the verification you have to choose by text message or phone call. But I prefer to choose text message and tap next. Wait for a second and then you have to tap agree at the bottom right in the corner of your screen and tap agree for a second time. Wait for a minute, then tap OK, and your Apple ID can already be used. So guys, that's all from me. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.